So custom reports, like I said, it's kind of like your short list of things to look at, right? And what I often tell customers is, listen, you've got a lot to look at, right? But let's think of the top 3 problems in your business today, right? Maybe it's tracking cores, maybe it's finding shipping charges, maybe it's understanding if all the parts made it onto your repair order. Let's start with one of those lists and use WickedFile to help find those issues for you automatically. And so what this creates for like one of your employees who's working in the back office or a parts manager or a GM is they don't have to go to 12 different places anymore to find all this stuff. WickedFile is almost like an AI assistant that's saying like, here boss, I got this right here, just look at this stuff. And they don't have to do any of the work. So what it's gonna do is immediately show me every single core for my location that currently has not been credited back. And what's great is these are coming straight off the invoices that I uploaded into the system. So I can actually click on one of these, like this one right here. It's going to show me the actual invoice that was on this part right here. And then what I can also look at is, additional ones as well if I need to see it. And you can even see if it found the return slip as well. So let me click on this one right here for this battery. So you can see whole bunch of parts. There's the core right there. I don't see the credit yet, but let's say I never get the credit back, right? Okay, great. My team uploaded the return slip. So now all I do is click in WickedFile the return slip. There's my battery core return slip that was signed by the driver. I'm gonna go print that out up there and I can go send that and get my credit back. But the thing is, I didn't need to look through anything. It just gave it to me.